got bacon hair and maravilloso. Since I came here, I found an enjoyment. But I did it. Just call them meow. That's what scary, Scary Obby. Stop scaring me. It's a scary Obby. Scary Obby. That's not meow. That's Nemo. It's a Nemo, dude. When you son, I can do this with Massa understand. Here, I felt the you did it! Yes, I.
Look how he is suffering.
Yes.
Listen, I know you might be confused. You have to trust me.
Okay.
This man is not evil. He is a friend. And we have to save him. He knows secrets that could help us.
Look, this guy.
Look at this. Again, we have a handsome boss terrorizing innocent men.
Yeah, he's
You're
handsome,
the
bro.
only one I know that can stop him.
So he's also handsome, bro. Find the right path. No! Squid Games! It's a Squid Games! Copy. It's not copy and paste. Refugees. There's a strange one. Since I came here, and if I said that mistake. Wait a second. Okay. I think I defeated this one. Can face your grandma through this? Can face this. Oh, yo! This one is solid. This one isn't solid. As you see, not solid. Ming, ming, ming. I love you. Are you kidding me? These guys are fast. You're ugly. That's what I gotta all say. That's the truth, bro. I'm joking, they're handsome. I did say they're ugly. They jumping. Not copy and paste. Different. Not me copying. Three checkpoints. There. This is the one I raged. We're gonna get off and running after you. Just make it handsome to make this game more like a real. Make this game. Are you sure these guys are transgender? Someone also one time in animation, someone said that a rubber band. Is it just me or that is transgender? I meant trans, not trans. Okay. Hindi ko tayo ng video. Yeah, clear this path. Solid stuff. Give me the rest. Hey, man. Beats. It's the guy. It's Mickey. Hey, that. It's okay, yeah. Copy and paste. Yeah, this copy and paste. Oh! Since okay, oh! Are you kidding me? I thought we were at 8 minutes. How good would I get on top when I get all the way there? I'm here now. That was a close call. I will just do it and jump over that. Big red man, no side. Mario, don't let him see. Move, you can see me. Don't move, he will see you. I see you. Is he blind? Does this guy have dementia? I don't think this guy has dementia. He remembers me beating it. No way. Do you find out famous words, bro? These guys are meant to move, that's why they numbers. Freedom! Oh, did it! Bulls holding your necks. What have you done? Oh, he died already. Boing, 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 boing. Oh, I freed that guy.
Thank you for saving me.
No problem, bro. The unknown reality. Oh! Oh, I know this. I've been here. Oh my god. Get out of my... Get out. This is the real one. What's happened to my... Hey, is that flamingo? Is that flamingo? What's that? That's definitely not flamingo. What's this? Bro, that's so risky. What are you supposed to? No. That's a Greg mask. Oh, there's just a hole on your roof. Wait, I can just walk. Here, I'm out. You ain't scary or funny. You're black. You're not that funny. You're black. You're just black.
Greasemaster's using you. He's using you to escape this place and leave you behind. I love Greasemaster. You can trust him with anything.
He loves Greasemaster. That's a long pipe hole you gotta go down to. Oh, it's fun. It's hard to tell which one is. It's hard to tell which one is not going to go down. Force shield has 15 quadrillion health. The void deals 1 quintillion. Boing, 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 boing. Checkpoint. Man, just what the. It's called Escape Handsome Men RB. That's. Din, 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 din.
Hello, my friend. You have made it to the end of the stage. You need to jump down this hole. It is where salvation lies. Don't do it! It's a trap! He's only leading you deeper into this twisted reality. Be quiet. He's lying to you. I know what's best for you, my friend. Please trust me on this. I know Greasemaster's true intentions. He's an evil man.
I'm not going there. I'm not going there. I'm not going there. I'm not going there.
He is taken care of now.
He's in heaven.
Remember what I told you. Only trust me, the unknown reality.
Not going there. Okay, you need to go. I'm jumping down this hole. We did it. Yippee! Yummy mouths. The world said mouths. You're so yummy. You're so yummy. You're so yummy and yummy. There's eggs on the walls. There's eggs on the roofs that eat. This is the music probably. I gotta jump like this. 1 millisecond, I think. 1 millisecond. There's smileys on. Smileys? Skip level. Skip level. Okay. Yay! I'm running. I ran. I ran. That's how I feel. That's how I feel from this guy. There's skulls on the walls. There's baby skulls.
Just relax, my friend. The process is almost over. Freedom.
Alright, found my freedom already.
Finally, this one was hard to convince. It was not real. The unknown reality plays tricks on you, my friend. Now, I need you to hop in this pool. It is the only way to escape this madness.
Where do I run? Someone already. He's trying to get me. That helped me. I got my avatar being white. That's just my okay, nobody. No one. Isn't that one solid? Yeah, that one is solid. This one's solid. Solid? No, it's not solid. It's solid. This one ain't solid. Run for my life! You did it? The one reality. Oh, in your neck. Yippee! Sakura Bio! Sakura Bio.
You made it to freedom. Enjoy your time. You truly did.
That's the chicken. Stages. Do I jump down this hole or something? Oh, run! I need to run down the cell. Then meet that chicken, that oddly weird tall chicken. Chickens aren't supposed to be that tall, and I'm not supposed to be this small. To be big. And my house. Okay. Home sweet home. Home sweet home. Home sweet home. Home not sweet. What the heck is that?
Welcome to the handsome world without my friend. We want to keep yourself from activity.
You're gay. Oh my god. So long to get rid of that. Please, bro, please. So hard. Now I know why am I very small. I know why am I very small. I'm running for my I don't know how long it takes to beat. Just like stage 1 to stage 17. Stage 17. I think it's gonna be a long time there. We'll try it. We'll try it in the next video. I don't know. Just let me know if this works. Locked it. I'm not locked it. Ayun si Jay. I'll just what is this?
Ganun ba yung palabas ng okay? Masusulat siya ng kwento.
No, this is AI thumbnails.
Parang iniba naman yung story.
Steal sabre. That's literally dead. That's dead right.
Ang galing na yun. Ang dami yung award ng bata. Oo. Diba, ang galing niya ng bata siya. Ang dami yung award. Ang dami yung natanggap na ano. Sabi na, diba may sinabi pa siya na ano, hindi siya pinayaran eh.
That's so cool. Half and Bank, Evolution, Air Crash Studio, Growing Up, Kulabelly, I'm gonna sip your money one by one. I'm gonna sip millions of money one by one.
maganda na yung ano kasi hindi si Maris. Batang kaya. Police ito.
Or
Or sumisipat mo sa standard ko. Hindi ko rin. Gusto ko naman si Maris. Kahit lang yung ang kaya ko kayo lang. Inis na inis ako sa mga kayo. Hindi ko alam kung saan.
or this thing. This is my manager. I'm gonna eat him whole. Isa. Those are gnomes. Kitchen manager.
Nakitang-kita ang puti. Dapat malinis, dapat tight.
Of this, with coconut oil and olive oil to moisturize and soothe your baby. Baby balm, ang batas ng puti. Ang manggay na ginawa Tuwing Tuesday, tusok-tusok din. Balik na lang.
Mind you, it's more damage without versus education. More damage to the symptoms. You're It's fresh all day.
Down, up, down.
Di ba, gusto ko lang malaman kung ano yung pagkakilala ng imam na kung ano yung nasabi ko sa'yo dati. Talaga.
Tayong tatlo something happened.
The same person.
I'm hacking so hard.
Kailangan ko siyang hanapin, Mia. Nasa ospital man siya o kahit saan. Kailangan niya magbayad sa mga nagawa niya sa pamilya ko.
I'm so happy. Nandito kayo naman sa bahay. Sobrang sila kasi kami nakikinig in this house. Ako kayo sa bahay na to.
I put on the cash.
Bakit? Hindi ko alam siya nandito.
I'm gonna share
This
every
is a
pizza.
horrible place for a child. Hindi ko na serious bata ko. Dito namatay yung mama ko.
Dito talaga siya namatay.
Walking away.
Yan ang alam ko. Kahit na hindi namin nagiging magkatulad. Patay na siya.
Parang isang araw, bumalik siya. Buhay siyang mahanap sa'yo.
I don't live a life where she exists. But then again, she brought me into this world. She is
Wow, he's richer. He's richer than the Mr. Beast. Unbelievable. Actually,
Patrick, wake up! Hoy, magbihis ka na! Come on! Patrick, sige na, magbihis ka na. I know that today is your free day. So, there's no other day but today.
Pat, bangon ka na para...
what if he slaps his own son with a pan?
Magbibihis na ako. Manong, bihis ka na rin.
Bangon ka na para sa family picture. Maliligo na si Mano.
Dapat na daw yung award yun. Award ka sa
Sabi ko sa'yo, bagay yung binili ko para sa'yo eh.
Salamat, Mia.
I'll be watching two of you guys if you sleep. You're getting bonked in the head with a pan.
Patrick? Patrick, mabihis ka na. Patrick, mabihis ka na. Ano ba nangyayari sa'yo kahapon ka pa ganyan?
Wala.
O, wala naman pala. Sige na, mabihis ka na. I want to take this back in the picture. Pagbibigyan mo ba ako o hindi?
Yung gusto niya.
Ayaw mo gawin ngayon? O ayaw mo gawin ako?
Was my mic white the whole time?
Let's go.
Bakit
Kasi
ayaw mo
muted.
yung family picture? Yung family tayo ni Mia, di ba?
Si Pujoy, tapos si ano,
Pag family, nagtutulungan. Tutulungan natin si Mia sa family
hindi na
picture.
mabubura sa ano nila.
Ako, Mano, tutulong ako. Kahit ayaw ni Patpat.
Oye,
Mia,
magagaling ka. Basta magaling. Kasi kanina.
Let's just continue the photo shoot for our booking set, okay?
lalagay mo yung mukha ni Matmat na libro.
Oo naman, Mano. Ikaw yung illustrator ko, di ba? Sasabay na ako para pareho tayo bagong photos.
Okay. Magagamit ni Matmat yung practice niya na smile.
Pinataway sila.
Totoo, malalagay si Matmat sa libro. Niya nag-practice si Matmat ng smile para sa picture. Gusto mo makita?
Sure, Mano.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Ayaw ni Mia.
Lahat ng smiles with face mask.
Pero nag-practice si Matmat para sa picture. Madaming beses para sa libro natin.
You will be golden. As long as you be yourself.
Be myself.
Yung totoong Manong Batman.
You gonna happen, bro. You gonna.
Ready ka na, Manong?
Sandali. Sir photographer, sandali lang.
I'm hacking
Huwag ka
the
muna
servers.
magpipicture.
Who's not gonna get gameplay no
It's
more?
okay. Nasabi ko na sa kanila na tayong dalawang.
Tatlo kaming pipicture. Tatlo.
Manong, it's just us.
Ayun na. Ayan na si Patpat.
Go get in half.
sumatsat kasi sa akin.
I know it now.
Patrick, ever since binigay mo sa akin si Sasa, hindi na ako nagkakaroon ng masamang panaginip. Pero nandito si Sasa para sabihin sa'yo.
Wait,
Masaya ako na
wait, didn't
kasama
we
ko
add an
kayo.
animation that slaps them? Hey, that's my other account.
By the way, walang suit si Satsat, kaya hindi pa siya makakasama sa family picture. Pero ibabalik mo siya sa akin, okay? Good thing Satsat delivered my message.
Ang pogi ni Patpat. Ang pogi ng kapatid ko. Ang pogi.
Mas pogi ka pa rin, Manong. Bagay na bagay sa suot mo, ha?
Nag-practice si Matmat para sa picture para pareho tayong pogi. Para pogi yung magkapatid. Sir photographer, ang pogi ng kapatid ko.
Yes, sir. Miss Mia?
Let's take our family photo first.
Sure, ma'am.
Halika, Manong, dito ka.
Not this again.
Parte na ako ng pamilya ko sa Mia, Nay. Silang dalawa ni Manong yung importante sa akin. Pero Nay, kapag napatunayan kong buhay pa si Mang Inggit, gusto ko magbayad siya sa ginawa niya sa inyo. Alam kong kasama niyo
Gusto ko check.
maaaring maapektuhan si Mia. Dahil puprotektahan ko siya, Nay. Dahil ayoko masaktan siya.
Sa dami ng germs ngayon, afford bang magkasakit sila? Siyempre hindi. Kaya I use my trusted safeguard. Na mas pinalaki, mas pinasulit, mas protected with complete temperature protection.
Doon kapagod, may amoy na siguro tayo. Perfume ko all day with Downy, okay? Gusto mo
Ang Monday, nagiging manhid day.
Oh, no!
Tuesday,
It's the police!
tusok-tusok day.
Quickly, hide the
Wednesday,
evidence.
Wednesday, pabalik-balik na lang.
Hello, FBI agent. How can I help you?
Alright, first of all, I want to ask, why you hacking the bank? That's
Oh man, you found me out. I'm only trying to get revenge. The guy who owns the bank stole all of my money.
That's what? Who runs this bank?
It's an evil crocodile named Clyde.
That filthy reptile! Let me tell you a story about the time he broke into my office.
I'm so sick of paying my taxes. I just want to make money and keep it all.
Hey, crocodile man, calm down.
Take this, you dumb FBI agent.
Happy day!
Not my filing cabinet.
I'm sorry.
Not my office. Take it back, you crazy crocodile.
Wow, that's terrible. Will you still allow us to keep hacking the bank?
I will not only allow you to keep hacking this bank, but I'll also join you.
Para may reference siya. Okay, salamat.
May special place ba sa heart mo, Mia Binyan?
I'm gonna hack.
Hindi na ako magtatanong kung bakit.
Bakit naman?
Kasi pareho kayo ni Happy. Hindi basta-basta kani-kanina nagsasabi ko ano yung tunay na nararamdaman niya. Nagtanong ako kay Jason. Ano bang nangyayari sa'yo? Kung bakit ka ba upset?
Kailan pa kayo naging close?
Siguro nung nag-order ako ng napakadami niya.
Sinabi ko sa'yo.
Ang sabi niya sa akin bilang best friend, inahiday na lang niya na ikaw na ang sabi sa kanya kung ano yung tunay na nararamdaman.
I'm hacking I'm hacking crocodile's bank account.
Tingnan ko naman tama siya. Alam mo, minsan yung best friend.
Pagod na kasi ako. Pagod na akong alagaan. Protektahan yung mga tao sa paligid ko. Dahil yun yung inaasahan nila sa akin. Ayoko na nung ganong responsibilidad. Kaya simula ngayon, puprotektahan ko sila dahil gusto ko. Dahil mahal ko sila.
Kasama ba ako sa pagprotektahan mo?
Wait, oh.
Family picture na tayo, di ba? Iyapatay ka na ng pamilya namin.
Ikaw, mahal mo. At ako.
Totoo pa ba?
Of course, Jesus. Bibilang ko na television.
Nakasama na siya next time.
6 and 8.
Taking that family for me is the best decision I've ever made in my life.
Why am I going outside? Oh, it's my pizza! Pizza for everyone in the FBI agent.